Check out this pictogram that I shared on Slack about flood risk across the Netherlands, along with how many workers we have in each province. So what's so innovative about this? It doesn't use AI or ML, does it? It's just emojis after all. Actually, we're understanding the words in your data and mapping these to the meanings of emojis. This is the Tableau Emoji Encoder. It uses a 2-layer neural network that processes text by vectorizing bags of words, and it recommends the best emojis for your field and category names appearing in your data. Let's take a look at how it works. Here in this table are the flood risk estimates for each Dutch province along with how many of our employees work in each of them. Now the problem I have is that I want to communicate these values using text on a platform like Slack or Teams, as a pictogram of evocative and memorable emoji icons. So when I open the configure dialog, I see candidate emojis recommended for each of the fields in my data. For example, if we look at the cities and towns at risk of rising water levels, I see the city emoji, the water closet emoji, and the tsunami wave emoji. And for cities and towns deemed safe, I see safety vest, safety pin, safety goggles. By selecting emojis from these recommendations, I incrementally build a pictogram or unit chart, with one row for each province. Next, I want to indicate how many of our employees work in each province. But before I do that, I want to make sure I have enough space for more emojis. So instead of a pictogram for flood risk values, I'm going to change this field to use an ordinal palette scale of emojis, which is perfect because one scale I have matches the Dutch flag colors. Looks like we have 2 Dutch provinces with high risk levels, indicated here in red. Next, I'm going to add the number of office workers, and I'm going to select the office building emoji that got recommended first. And for the number of remote workers, I'll select the office worker emoji. And I'm going to update the scales of each such that one office building represents 100 people, and one office worker emoji represents 10 people. And finally, I'll tack on the province name so we know which province corresponds to which row. Now, the beautiful thing about this unit chart is that I can copy and paste it directly into a text message or into Slack or Teams because it's just text. And that's the emoji encoder for Tableau.